Hello friends, welcome to the Azure DevOps tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see how we create sprint in Azure board. In the previous tutorial we have seen like how we create the work item and the backlog into Azure board. So before proceeding with this tutorial, I recommend you please watch part 8 and 9 of this tutorial series and see like how we create work item and the backlog. Now let's understand like what is the sprint. So basically sprint is just like a like a time span of doing a task and deliver that task to the product owner or the production. We can say like generally companies has like 10 to 15 days of the one sprint. In that particular sprint they do some planning like to deliver some feature into the production. They do the planning and they implement that one. So that is the basically sprint. Now let's see like how this sprint look like and how we can create the sprint in Azure board. So go to the Azure DevOps portal. So here generally like currently we are working with the basic like work process that we have seen. Like there are 4 type of work process. So we are working with the basic work process. So in this work process when we work, it give by default one sprint. So when we create any issue or the task, it comes into the sprint 1 by default. So currently we are having 5 issue. So, and we are not having any task. Let's create one task, and we know like how we create the task, issue and the epic. We have to go to the work item, and from here we can create the task. So currently what we are having 5 tasks. Sorry, we are having 5 issues and 1 epic. Let's create one task also. So let's click on the task, and from here we can give. And what I can do, put theme on login page. So that I'm going to give, and from here like what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it under the sprint 1 and I can save it. So once it's saved, now let's go to the like this. Either you can go to the board. So here basically it will show all the tasks which is given to do. And if you will go into the backlog, so here in this backlog we can see like it is showing the issues and the like in the sprint 1 we can see like here it is showing the 5 issue and 1 task basically, and it is not showing the epic because we have selected here as a issues here. If I will select epic, it will show the epic here, and if we'll select issue, it will show all the issue. So basically, and sometime what happened like here only issues tab comes, epic doesn't show into this drop down. So what we can do is you can go to the setting tab, and from here you can select the like sometime what happened like if I will uncheck this and save and close, and if I come back here, so basically like in this tab that epic doesn't show. That's why we are not able to see the epic. So what we can do, just go to this setting tab, and from here you select this epic and save and close. So in that way we can see both the tabs like whatever you wanted. Sometime it happen. Now let's select this sprint 1 and like what things we can do. Like from here we can add the sprint. Now let's understand with the existing sprint. So once I will click on that sprint 1, it take us to this sprint tab. Let's see, we can see into the sprint tab here, and here we can see like current sprint what things it is having, and like at the top you can see here set dates. So basically the time span we didn't give this set sprint 1. You can go here and you can even change the title. Like if you want to change the title, you can change it, and if you want to give the iteration time, you can select from here. I'm going to select 11 to like I'm going to select till 25, and you can save and close. So once we save and close, it is saying 11 working days. And if you want to work with the like weekends and weekdays only, then those setting you can do from here. Just go here, and when you click on the working days, from here you can select like where like you want to work only weekdays or weekend also you want to work. So like based on your requirement you can select, and based on that it will calculate automatically here. So currently we are having 11 working days to do, and we are having like 5 issues and 1 task. Now suppose I want to create a new sprint. Like in my company I'm having 2 sprints. So let's click new sprint, and you can give any name to this. So I'm going to give sprint like 2, and now we can see here like it is selecting automatically 28. It is going to select because 28 is the Monday, and automatically it is taking 12 10 because from first sprint it get to know it's a working of the 11 working days, so it automatically taken care of that. So when you click on the create, it will also create with the like 11 working days we can see. So this portal already have knowledge of this, like if one sprint one is for 11 days, then all the sprint is basically like ideally it is taken for the same working days. Now if you want to assign some tasks to this, you can do like I want to do create a student portal. So if I will take here, let's see we can see here issue is 4 now, and if I will take generate OTP here, so here it is 3 and now here 2. So in that manner we can do the planning for the sprint basically. And suppose like by mistake if we will close this planning from here, then from where we can get, like first time we are doing, so it is indicating us like from here you can get the option, like when you will click from here you can see the planning. So in that way we can work and we can create the sprint. So currently we are working with the like basic work process. So in the coming tutorial when we will see like agile process and CMI process, so in that like when we will work on that, there the sprint might be changed or it can be same, that once we'll start working we will see like what all are the things are there. But this is the basic process of creating the sprint and using the sprint in our Azure boards. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.